Cyberfuse is an AI-native security intelligence platform powered by our proprietary security language model, built to unify, correlate, investigate, and respond across your entire security ecosystem, with cloud, sovereign, and air-gapped AI deployments. In this video, we'll walk through the Cyberfuse dashboard and give you a high-level look at the technology behind it. Then dive deeper into what makes our SecLM different. Getting started with Cyberfuse is fast and secure. Every session begins with enterprise-grade authentication, so your team can access critical security data with confidence, knowing the platform is protected at every layer. Once you're in, the Cyberfuse dashboard brings your entire security posture into a single, unified view. Right away, you get a global cyber map of live threat activity, a threat summary, and your top sources, alongside your own organization's cyber map showing exactly where attacks are targeting your infrastructure. You can ask SecLM anything directly from the search bar at the top. Below that, proactive AI security investigations run continuously in the background, while SOC performance metrics track your team's response time trends and weekly ticket volume, so you always know how your team is performing. You'll also see analyst performance over the last 7 days, ranking case success rates and average resolution time right alongside a quantum readiness score that flags any quantum vulnerable assets in your environment. Cyberfuse also monitors your AI usage itself, detecting tools like ChatGPT, flagging risks like prompt injection, and giving you an overall AI risk assessment across data leakage, prompt injection, and shadow AI usage. On the cloud side, GCP security findings show exactly which checks need remediation, paired with a full GCP risk assessment covering IAM exposure, network exposure, and your compliance score. Further down, correlated threat alerts, your security integrations, monitored assets, recent AI queries, threat intelligence, and system status for your firewall, IDS, and antivirus are all visible at a glance, with quick actions to scan, block, or execute a scan instantly. And for deeper analysis, Cyberfuse generates AI charts on demand, comparing incident timestamps across sources, records returned per source, attacker IPs, user types, and threat levels, all resizable so your team can focus on exactly the view they need. Whether you're a SOC analyst triaging incidents or a CISO reviewing overall exposure, the Cyberfuse dashboard gives everyone the context they need to respond faster and with greater clarity. At the core of it all is Cyberfuse SecLM, our proprietary security language model, purpose-built for cybersecurity from the ground up. It can start your day by answering a question like this as an example, such as, "Give me today's executive security briefing." But you can ask it any security question you'd like. Notice the RAG knowledge base on the left, connected directly to your internal documentation, alongside a full list of live data sources, including Azure OpenAI, Microsoft Sentinel, OpenSearch, Microsoft Graph, Entra ID, and Azure Firewall. The moment you ask a question, SecLM reaches out to every one of these sources in real time, analyzing, correlating, and cross-referencing signals before it ever gives you an answer. You can also upload any regulation or framework, and Cyberfuse will map it directly to your data sources, giving you insights into your environment and showing you exactly how to meet those regulation requirements. Once the analysis completes, SecLM surfaces several chart options with detailed insights on everything it found. You'll see records returned per source, so you always know where your answer is coming from, along with a clear list of recommended actions and suggested follow-ups your team can act on immediately. No digging required. You can keep the conversation going naturally. Ask something like, "Why did my risk increase today?" And SecLM reasons over its previous analysis, investigates the relevant assets across your environment, and walks you through its findings step by step, just like a human analyst would. Every response SecLM gives can be reviewed and rated, with a transparent confidence score showing exactly how confident the model is in its answer. That feedback feeds directly into an agent run history, where every run is logged, and a flagged runs queue that lets your team catch and correct anything that doesn't meet the bar. Behind the scenes, every flagged run opens into a full run detail view, showing the run ID, the original query, the model's response, and its recommended action, so your team can audit exactly how SecLM reached its conclusion. From there, responses move into a DPO training queue, where flagged conversations are used to continuously fine-tune the model based on real feedback from your own analysts. So SecLM keeps getting sharper the more your team uses it. Beyond investigations, SecLM also runs on autopilot. You can build automated runbooks, giving each one a title, a category like investigation, hunt, report, or compliance, and a schedule, whether that's daily, weekly, or manual. Enable robot mode, and SecLM will run that investigation on its own, on schedule, with zero manual effort, whether that's a weekly IOC report, a data exfiltration hunt, a failed login investigation, or a privilege escalation hunt. This is what makes SecLM different. It's not a chatbot layered on top of a dashboard. It's a full security analyst workflow, engineered specifically to understand, correlate, investigate, and act on the unique language of cybersecurity. From a technical standpoint, Cyberfuse unifies every security tool you already run, SIEM like Sentinel, Splunk, Microsoft Graph for Actions, firewalls, and more, into a single AI-native platform, eliminating tool sprawl and manual correlation work. From a business standpoint, that means faster investigations, fewer missed threats, and dramatically lower operational overhead. Teams using Cyberfuse cut incident response time by up to 70% and reduce the analyst hours spent on manual triage by more than half, translating directly into significant cost savings every month. Cyberfuse. Smarter security, faster response, better ROI.